We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced Cajun names, Cajun food names in particular, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is the name of a spicy Cajun stew, New Orleans style dish from Cajun cuisine. How do you say it? This is a word of French origin. In French, it is said as étouffée, étouffée, meaning smothered or suffocated, is what it means. In English, it is normally pronounced as étouffée, étouffée, from French, étouffée. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting food names and cooking terms whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.